kwan lang eh. We have a motivation, you know? And the motivation is to make sure that our young kids, yung children namin, our children, our grandchildren will have a good future. And of course, survival ng ating country. I've been reading a lot of things about Venezuela. And I don't want it to happen in our country. I don't want na sayang lang yung mga pinaghirapan natin, empowering our young people, training them to become leaders, only to find out that when our economy collapse, everybody gets negatively impacted.
Hindi ka natatakot, Mayor? It can get really ugly.
I heard na kung ano yung nangyari doon sa contractor na binaril sa things can happen. But as I've said, we have to prepare for it. Galing naman ako sa military, galing sa police. And I'm well aware of my security as well and the hazards and the risk. But that won't stop me from pursuing this crusade. Sabi nga nila, a lot of people are already asking me to stop because of safety reasons. But sabi ko na sa nila na if I give up, then it is as if I've given up on the future of my children and my grandchildren.